we're going to pluck between the A and the D strings on the bass. We are going to set cupcake fingers first, and then take our L, bring the thumb to the fingerboard, and make sure that that wrist is turned toward your face. Set on the side of your finger, here is the D string, and here is the A string. Now we're going to go back and forth between these two strings, but we're also going to set on and, which can be a little tricky. So before we start plucking, we're just going to point. So we're going to set D, set to A, set, and D, and A, and D, and A. Just to get kind of familiar with how far apart they are, make sure you're making a nice arc up and over each string. Now we're going to start with plucking D. Ready, and D, set to A, set to D, pluck, set to A, pluck, set to D, set to A. Notice how I set and I'm still before I pluck, and everything is within rhythm. Set to D, set to A, set to D, set to A, set to D, set to A. And that is plucking between the D and A string.